Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is, man. Yes, sir. Different quality now. Yeah. You ready? Yes, sir.
Was good. It's Rude from the Bomb. You know how we do. Been here 30 years in the game. You know, up here representing, you know.
Yes, sir. So tell them what you do here, man. So
mainly custom shirts, man. We got men's and women's apparel. Still carry, mixed CDs. You know what I'm saying? We pretty much do it all up here, you know. Like I said, we've been here 30 years.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Doing the do, so,
yeah, so you got a number they can reach you at?
Yeah, 219-512-3202.
Yes, sir. Look at that, man. Yeah. Oh, that's what I wanted to see, the bubbles. Yeah.
Hey, man, 10 out of 10. 10 out of
what?
10 out of 10.
Hey, I told him, if I would have had my stand, you see something right now, you would have definitely had a situation, man.
Hold on. If it was a fifth, we all be drunk.
Oh, boy.
10 out of 10.
What is looking like 10 out of 10?
Ashley the class.
Yes, sir. Oh boy, it's your boy back with another video. Man, I'm loving this camera quality, man. Only thing I don't like about the phone, man, I ain't quite figured out how to work everything, man. The iPhone got a whole lot of stuff, man, in there, but it's good as far as like for me editing and everything, man. I just gotta learn some different stuff about it. But as of right now, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see I got the L code next to me, man. So I got a job to do, man. I'm doing another headliner. I got a X-type Jag. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go through y'all, show y'all a couple little pieces, man. And we're gonna take the headliner out. We're gonna refurbish the headliner, which that means we're gonna put a new headliner up. You know what I'm saying? And it's not gonna be a one-day situation, you know what I'm saying? Because I still gotta get material. I gotta prep it and all those things like that. And we're not gonna rush it. We're gonna make sure we turn the headliner from ashy to classy. You know what I'm saying? And for to walk y'all through it, man.
A few moments later.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. I always break that pack down, man. So y'all see the clips snap on like this, and they just slide over like this, so you can get to your bolts all the way around. You know what I'm saying? I got to my bolts up here, which is some covers. Also got my sunroof situation down. They got some snap ends up front, and you just slide them forward. You know what I'm saying? And then I don't plan on taking this whole thing down. I'm gonna go ahead and push this through there when I drop the headliner. Y'all see I got my side panels down. Same thing on the other side ready. So let me start unbolting these bolts right here so we can start dropping the headliner and everything, and we're gonna make it do what it do. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Y'all see we got the visors down. I got all the handles off on this side. You know what I'm saying? Working my way around. And then we're gonna drop it down, and then we're gonna start unplugging the visors. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove the headliner in just a bit, man. You know what I'm saying? The light's gonna come down with the actual headliner itself. So we're gonna pop these out and we're gonna send them through. Let's get oh boy, as y'all can see behind me, got the headliner out, man. And I'm gonna show y'all some stuff, man. What I had to do and everything, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people said you gotta remove the seat in these Jags. You know what I'm saying? Probably would have made it a lot easier, but I don't really see that because you still had to go over the, the shifter and everything and all that stuff like that, man. But other than that, everything turned out good, man. Everything was unplugged, everything was unsnapped, and everything like that. Bless me. And also, I also seen that once you get the headliner down, which would be smart, is to go ahead and clean out the drain ports of the air condition, of the sunroof, since you already have it out, to make sure that, you know what I'm saying, the water is draining through. But man, other than that, man, I'm gonna spin this camera around and let y'all check it out to see what we working with, man. everything is actually still intact in the car and everything like that, man. It's only a couple plugs I had to do, and it's gonna be like 2 little things that I gotta glue in, the wires. But other than that, everything worked out good, man. I'm gonna let y'all check it out. Also, man, word of advice, man. Hot temperatures or cold temperatures. If you're removing the door seals along the doors and pillars and everything, and you're removing something, don't leave those off. Try to put them back on the car, because what happens is the cold's gonna make them shrink, be all hard and everything, and the heat is gonna make it, you know what I'm saying, it's not gonna make it right. So then when you putting it back together, you're gonna be fighting with the door seal not stretching the way it's supposed to be and stuff like that, man. So that go a note to you guys, man, to make sure you put that seal back when you're done, and you know what I'm saying, and just you know what I'm saying, it keeps its form and everything. And that's the best way for me to go, man. It's like I did a lot of headliners, and this one thing that I found out when I'm doing them, to always put the rubber seal back along anything that I'm removing. On that note, man, y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video, man, because we got a little turn up a little later, man. And y'all stay tuned for that, and make sure you like, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
1 hour later.
Y'all know what time it is, man. So y'all know I was installing a headliner today. I've been looking for the fabric to do it, and the people want the original stuff to go back. So you already know what time it is, man. I'm finna go holler at Basehead Customs, finna go down there and holler at Reggie, finna take a piece of the material for him so he can take care of that for me and get the material so I can go ahead and install it and get it back on. But y'all see, I got the homies outside acting real suspicious out here on them toys out here today, man. But make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. We outside, and I'll see you when we holler at Reggie. Let's get it. Time it is, man. It's a little hot. I don't even care, man. My car didn't come with AC, man. The wind blowing real good, man. And I had to pull up on Basehead on them things, man. So make sure y'all like, subscribe to Fly Roy the Trendsetter, and make sure y'all go over and holler at my OG buddy. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Corvette, Basehead Customs. You know what I'm saying? And I hate this, man. I gotta go through this little rock. A lot of people be wondering why my car gotta have a little butter on it, man. Cause I be in the wilderness. You know what I'm saying? On that note, man, y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, man. Let's get it. See what that say right there? I was just telling my people, you see that? It say the custom LED light and Corvette headquarters, man. Y'all thought I was playing with it. Yeah, right there. Yeah, sir, y'all know what time it is, man. So, man, y'all didn't see me. I slid on Reggie. Is my camera? Let me check it. Okay, we looking good. Well, I slid on Reggie to order the material to do the headliner that I was doing. And right now I'm sitting in the parking lot, you know what I'm saying, for the homie, going in there to do what they gotta do. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get some custom shirts made today for the Box Chevy Wars. So if y'all wanna get a Box Chevy Wars shirt, make sure you holler at your boy, you can get one. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna try to have them on hand. That Stunner even have them too, so you can even get them from him. So y'all stay tuned for that. And also, man, there's something else I want to talk about, man. It don't really bother me, because it really don't make a difference to me. I be pulling up on a lot of people, and they be saying that I should do this to my car, that I should do this, that I should do this, and I should do that, and I should do this. I'm just gonna remind y'all once again, my car's been in the garage for over 10 years plus. Name some people that y'all know that got a car, been sitting in the garage for 10 years plus, and they getting in the car and they driving the car shows and they riding the car. I'm not looking to, you see my interior a different color? I don't care about that. I'm enjoying my vehicle. And once I get tired of enjoying it and I want to take it apart and I want it to take it to another level, just know when I take it apart and I go to the next level, it's going to be on a serious level. You know what I'm saying? And that go right there. So I ain't gonna talk no more about that. But just make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, man. And let's get it.
2,000 years later.
Gang. So, man, I'm on the mission, I'm on the mission. So y'all know that I'm putting refurbishing the headliner. Oh, they looking at me, yeah, your boy sleepy. Really sleepy, really tired. But sometimes, man, you gotta put that to the side and do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying, to fill orders and all that type of stuff. So right now, man, I gotta go like, I think it's like 50 miles or something like that away to go get some headliner material, because the customer, normally I'll put like some suede back or something like this, but this customer is old school, and you know what I'm saying, and old school people like to put back things as like it was. So right now, like I said, I'm on my way to a fabric store to get the correct fabric with the patent on it, you know what I'm saying, for headliners. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna kind of take y'all on this journey. And the good thing is I don't have to drive, so I can kind of lay back in the passenger seat, take me a little nap and everything. And also, I gotta go ahead and I gotta go make some Box Chevy Wars shirts. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. Also, you know what I'm saying, if you need a certain size, I'm gonna have certain sizes. I'm also gonna have we are also gonna have kid sizes. You know what I'm saying? All different colors for little kids. It might be, you know what I'm saying, a selective amount of shirts. So if you do want a shirt, I suggest you drop something in the comments, man, and put your order in now, and also put your size in, man. And make sure y'all stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is, man. So, man, good thing I had to take a little ride. Nice little ride, man. I actually met some good people, man. So, man, can I get any upholstery color I want? Yes, sir. I'm really tapped in now, man. So, look, I got my material I needed. I'm not gonna do it today. I do got the headliner already prepared already. As far as like all the glue off, all the old material off. I just got, of course, wipe it down real good. I got me some real good high temp adhesive. We're gonna go ahead and lock that down, man. But y'all know where we on our way to right now, man. Yeah, sir. Finna go make some t-shirts, man. Yeah, sir. Finna go make Stunner his shirt. You know what I'm saying? I might do 2 of them for him. I'm not sure yet, because I got some t-shirts that's already there already. Hopefully they still there, because they were sitting over there since the Pierogi Fest. But if they not, I got a whole bag in the back, man. We got all sizes, man. So, man, I'm gonna have little kid sizes, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man. And let's get it.
The missionary.
All the homies that ride for me, all the homies that slide for me. I can never take back all the shit we been through, and I hope you feel this love that I'ma send you. Loyalty ain't the same now. They do anything for a name.
Yeah, sir. Y'all know what time it is, man. Fly Roy the Trendsetter in the building, man. Y'all see we in another building. Look at all these custom shirts right here, man. And on top of that, man, I'm gonna show y'all some custom shirts right here. No, I don't got you on yet. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all some custom shirts right here, man. Man, they on a whole nother level, man. So make sure y'all subscribe. And I got a new place, man, that y'all got to come tap in, man, because my man is definitely with the business, man. He definitely on hand, and the wait is not long at all, man. Before you blink your eyes, you'll have you something custom done, man. On that note, y'all stay tuned. Check it out. Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is, man. Yes, sir. Different quality now. Yeah.
We gon' pick it up right where we left off, and we gon' bring it to you all around the world. Don't be coming around here with that slick talk.